Welcome back, motocross fans. We're at Washougal, one of the most iconic and challenging circuits on the pro motocross calendar. Today's the day we've all been waiting for, the final round of the 450cc class, and the excitement is already in the air. As the race progressed, the Washougal course became increasingly challenging. The ditches grew deeper, the bumps grew larger, and every jump required perfect precision. Washougal 2025 was a day full of action, drama, and speed. The 450 class riders once again proved they are the best. Thanks for joining us for the highlights of the 2025 Washougal Pro Motocross race. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any more motocross action. See you at the next race.